Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add products to Shopify from CSV. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Now adding products from CSV is pretty easy. Now what you need to do is simply head over to product section from your admin's panel. Once you are there, you will see that on the top left side, or actually top right side of our screen, we have this import button located. Simply press onto that. We have import products by CSV. Now if you do not have any idea what is a CSV or how to create one, you can let us know in the comments below and I will teach you that as well. But basically it is an Excel sheet by everything listed and organized accordingly. So you're going to click on add file and upload your CSV file here. Apparently once you do, your products are going to be showing in here. So that's how easily you can upload products from CSV file. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.